Hi everyone, welcome to SpeTool channel. I'm Amin. Let's talk about the problem every woodworker hated: flattening slab without planer or CNC. Our assembly that storms, packaged, complicated operation. Sound familiar? Well, guess what? I have built a solution that's kick these problems to the cops. The SpeTool Xpert Slab Flattening Mill. One glance and you will see, this isn't your average router sled. Actually, the Xpert has 5 advantages, are different from other router sled in the market. The first one, how easy to use. Most sleds out there are a pain to set up and use it, but the Xpert Flattening has helped you solve the problem since installation. All you have to do is change in 28 screws and you are done. Under 5 minutes, maybe even better to your morning coffee routine. And we didn't stop there. We also made a convenient design or router installation. We have prepared a ordinary, very popular model like this. So you don't have to drill any extra holes to get it to fit. Plus the router place has marking for different router models, making installation even faster and easier. And when you run the Xpert, you will notice that it's incredibly smooth. That's because we have added WHM W-type to all contact circuits, making this glide better. Sometimes the most troubling problem for us woodworkers is actually adjusting every time switch the different techniques of wood. You have the mess around with adjustment and can be real hassle. But with the SpeTool continuously high adjustment, you can forget about all. Just give a quick twist, you can set flattening a bit any high you want. Health and safety are also a priority when you are working with the wood, especially the problem of sweat dust. If you inhale, it can cause damage and screening in the lung tissue. But with Xpert, you don't have to worry about that. There are 2 dust collection ports inside the mill that suck up most of the dust you work. And for the little bit that get away, we have added 4 brushes and 2 dust surgeons around the plate to keep it from flying around.
You shall not pass!
We all know that the accidents can happen in the workshop, and why we designed the safety stop. The safety feature presents the sled from the sleeping of the edge the table, and on the side of the rotor carriage there is a click lock that prevents the rotor from tipping over. They can all save you from the potential disaster. Speaking for the quick lock, you may be wondering about the precision of the flattening. Well, the quick lock also has a function to make our living more accurate. Because the vibration generated from the rotor can easily cause the high error for the bell, thereby affecting that accuracy of the broad surface. And when we look at the high shift, we can prevent unnecessary, and with the road we just mentioned has the same feature. Adjust dims the knob located at the high is located in, and don't need to guess or measure. Besides this, the entire mill is made of the aluminum, makes it sturdy and resistant for deformation. You can take a closer look at the shape of the rails that lets your wood chip slide on naturally, so they won't get the wide sled. Another advantage for the SpeTool over a CNC, the extension. If you need the flexion and a large slab, buying the CNC can be a huge investment, but the SpeTool it's much more affordable and it can be handled most you flattening needed. It has a maximum processing size 38 inches by 30 inches. And if you need to even bigger, we have got you covered with extension rails No matter the size of the slab, the expert can handle it. I also connection between the rails smells with no high difference, ensuring smooth and precise operation. Alright, let's talk about this part. Most look, myself included, don't have a massive workshop with a dedicated table just for the rotor slide. So when we don't need to use it, we gotta break it down to free up the table. Other projects, that's why how easy it to take apart and put it. Watch me, yeah, it's that simple. Just unclock the key lock, lift up, return carriage, and you are good to go. Plus, since the Xpert can be fixed with the F clamps, you can take off on your table whenever you need space for something else. Once you remove the F clamps and you can take off all the ranked rail and your table, it's back normal. And when you are not using it, the slide are compact part one and take up much space in your workshop. So there you go, easy to use, healthy and safe, preserve massive capacity, and easy to store. If you want to take a woodworking to the next level, you need to SpeTool Xpert Slab Flattening Mill. Who wouldn't want to feel awesome? You can get your by the click in the bio in description, and thank you for watching. Happy woodworking.